Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wheel bearing hubs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the MAYASAF 513121x2 front wheel hub axle bearing assembly. The MAYASAF 513121x2 axle bearing assembly is direct fit hub assembly that is crafted from high quality materials, guaranteeing you a smooth, snug fit and a nice ride. The unit has been engineered and quality tested to the highest and meets and exceeds OE quality. In addition to that, the induction-hardened raceway offers more load-bearing capacities as well as surface life. It produces no noise and vibrations, thus providing the best performance. The triple seals usually prevent contamination and moisture. Moreover, the wheel hub is pre-coated using anti-corrosion lubricant, making it long-lasting. Installing this axle-bearing assembly on your car is very easy and quick, and manufacturer offers a 1-year limited warranty. Moving on at number 4, we have the MOSTPLUS front wheel hub wheel bearing hub bearing assembly. If you want a front wheel hub with great looks, then MOSTPLUS wheel bearing hub is a great choice. It is made using high quality materials, and it exceeds the original equipment standards requirements. Ideally, this wheel bearing hub is specifically designed to fit 4WD vehicle models such as Suburban 1500 4WD and Chevrolet Silverado 1500 4WD. Furthermore, the wheel hub is designed to support the weight of the vehicle while maintaining wheels proper spinning. This equipment comes with a shield and seat that boosts lubrication and prevents contamination. They will tightly fit on the wheels as it comes with 6 lug. The high quality of steel and alloy is utilized to offer toughness and longevity. At number 3, we have the Detroit Axle 4WD hub assembly and front wheel bearing. The Detroit Axle front wheel hub bearing is constructed to fit both the passenger and driver side front. It also has an ABS sensor along with a harness. The manufacturer has never compromised the equipment quality, and thus the product is worth purchasing and trying. It is made under well-defined environment using durable materials and comes attached with a specialized sensor that produces ideal output and improved performance. The wheel bearing comes with cutting-edge design that exceeds your expectations of performance and consistency. Also, the product comes with ABS molded shields and socket connections which stimulates longer life and forbids contamination of the equipment. Above all, the product comes with 10 years of limited warranty. At number 2, we have the MOOG 515096 hub assembly and wheel bearing. MOOG 515096 is another key product that you can take a look at. It is a high-quality wheel bearing that delivers superior performance as well as minimal vibration and noise. In addition to that, in specific applications, the socket connections and molded ABS shield are used to offer optimal defense from contamination while providing longer life. Ideally, this wheel bearing has an innovative roll form design that ensures optimal and consistent preload. Furthermore, this hub assembly is made from blended materials that offer increases abrasion resistance and superior ABS protection that protects against adverse conditions. Also, the wheel studs have a protective coating that helps to protect against corrosion and rust while allowing proper torquing and easier removal of the wheel nuts. And finally at number 1, we have the MOTORMAN 513121 pair of 2 front ABS bearing set and wheel hub. MOTORMAN 513121 wheel hub comes in a pair of 2, and it is ideal for replacing front position on FWD, 2WD models, rear or front position on AWD, 4WD models. Ideally, this bearing set will directly fit your vehicle, and it does not require any modification. In addition to that, the axle bearing assembly has an ABS sensor wire for passenger and driver size. It is perfect for a 5-bolt lug wheel, and it is very easy to install. This wheel hub will guarantee unlimited miles and many years against structural and material defects. Also, the product ensures superior quality as well as performance. It is made of high-quality materials that provide reliability, objectivity, maximum performance and durability. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.